Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the computer aided drafting laboratory experiment number 14. Create the 2D sectional view of the plumber block. Okay. Now we are going to the AutoCAD software. This is a AutoCAD software 2024 version. These all are the parts of the given plumber block diagram. These all are the part diagrams. This is a body. This is cap. This is a brasses. This is bolt. This is a nut. This is the lock nut. These all are the components we have to. These are the parts we have to draw and assemble. Finally, we have to assemble the sectional and assemble view of the plumber block. This is a final plumber block assemble and sectional view of assemble and sectional view. Now we go to draw the plumber block. First we have to draw the body. Okay, first we have to draw the body. Its distance is 208. Its vertical distance is 14. Okay, so in this case we have to change the layer. It's a body. Here the body layer. Okay, now we have to draw a line. Okay, in this case we have to draw a horizontal distance 208. 208, it vertical distance 14. Next its leftward distance 208, its downward distance 14. Now we finish. Next we have to draw a center line. From this point we have to take a center line in upward direction. Its height is 68. So okay, its body height is 68. So we have to draw a center line in a 68 mm. 68. Okay, 68. uh, just select and delete. Select this line. Now we want to draw a center line from this point to this point 68. Okay, here we want to select this line and match the center line properties. Here we want to select this body. Okay, now we want to draw a circle. Its vertical distance is 68. So we want to select this line and take a offset 68 in above. Okay, 68 in above. In from the top the circle diameter is 64. From the top its circle diameter circle is 20 mm below. Okay, so from this distance we have to take a 20 mm, take offset 20 mm in below. Okay, this is a center line, so we have to match the properties, in this line. Now we want to draw a circle radius of circle 24. We want to select and draw a circle radius or enter. Its distance is 24. Okay, now we completed. Next we want to trim the unwanted lines. Okay, here we want to trim, enter, trim the unwanted lines. Okay, here we want to trim. That's all. Next we want to draw its vertical distance from this circle. We have to draw a vertical line in 4 mm. So we have to draw a vertical line in this point to 4 mm. We have to draw a horizontal line in leftward direction 4 mm. Then we have to finish this line like this. Enter. We want to select this portion in the rightward direction. So select this portion and take mirror from this point and enter. Okay, that's all. Next we want to draw the next we want to draw this we want to take offset 54 mm in leftward direction. So we have to draw its distance. Okay, this distance. Okay, from the center to this distance is 54. So we want to take a offset. Okay, we want to take offset from this point to take offset 54. 54 in rightward direction, 54 54 in leftward and 54 in rightward. So we have to match the properties. Select this point and match the properties. Okay, match the properties. Next we want to trim the unwanted lines. Okay, here we want to trim. Okay, in this case trim these lines also we don't need. Next here we want to fillet 8 mm. Okay, here we want to go to fillet radius 8 mm. Okay, this line and this line we have to fill it. Next we here the line was deleted, just no problem. Next we have to draw a line, and from this point to point, this point, the center. Now we go to fillet. Okay, it's a radius. It's this radius is 8. Now we have to click this point and click this point. Okay, now we finish. Next we want to draw a center line through the sections. In this case, okay, from this point to this center we have to draw. Its distance is 78. 78 means we have to take a offset from this point to 39. Okay, select this line and take offset 39 mm in rightward direction, 39 mm in leftward direction. Next we have to draw a holes. Okay, here see the diameter of the circle holes. Okay, its diameter of the circle holes is 14. 14 means 7 mm. Okay, here diameter of the circle holes is 14. Okay, see the distance. Okay, its diameter of the circle hole is 14 mm. So in this case we have to draw a 7 mm distance here. Its diameter 612. Okay, 14. Okay, that's right. Okay, we want to select this line, take a offset. The diameter 40 means we have to take off offset 7 mm. 7 mm to the left side, 7 mm to the right side. Here we want to change the properties, match properties to these lines. Okay, okay, these all are the, this is a center line, so just expand this center line. Now we want to delete this line. Finally we have to select and copy this line, select and take mirror from this point to this point, enter. Here these portions are in hidden, so we have to select and change the properties. Now we want to take base of the holes, here 26 and its distance 10. So we have to draw a horizontal line 26, its vertical distance 10, and again it's 26, again it's 10, again it's 10. Okay, trim again, delete. Now we want to just copy and move. Okay, just copy this portion. Now we have to off the ortho command, ortho mode. In this case we have to just copy. Okay, just select this portion and keep here, and also we have to keep here. Now here this portion. Okay, here this portion in hidden. Okay, just select and we have to change the properties. We have to change the properties. Okay, dashed line. Okay, that's all. Now we want to trim the unwanted lines. So these lines we don't need, these lines we don't need, these lines also we don't need, these lines also we don't need. Okay, almost we complete the um, body of the plumber block. Next, in this case these portions we have to draw. In this case its diameter is 162. 162 means 81, so we have to take offset from this point 81 mm. So 81 in rightward direction, 81 in leftward direction. So we have to reduce the center line. Okay, reduce the center line. So we have to off the we have to on the ortho command. Okay, okay, that's all. In this case we have to take a small line. uh, Here we want to take offset the holes of the given diagram is, see the diagram, the holes of the diagram is here, this holes. Okay, this holes diagram is 20 mm. Okay, 20 mm. So we want to take offset from this point to leftward 10 mm. Okay, take offset leftward 10 mm and take offset in rightward 10 mm. Here we want to delete this line. Okay, now we want to select these three lines, and take a mirror from this point to from this point, enter. Okay, now we delete this line. Okay, almost we complete the body of the plumber block. Next we want to hatching. Okay, in this case we want to hatching, uh, hatching the, okay, all the portions we completed. Here we want to take a chamfer. For chamfer they take a 5 mm offset. In this distance take offset 5 mm, take offset 5 mm in inside. Okay, just enter. Next we want to draw a line, from this point, from this point to this point, enter. Now we want to trim the unwanted lines. Okay, we want to trim these lines and these lines and these lines. Now we have to take mirror, select this line and take mirror from this point to this point, this point to this point, enter. Now we want to trim the unwanted lines. Okay, the unwanted lines we have to draw, unwanted lines we have to erase. Okay, here we have to apply hatching. So hatching these portions and these portions, these portions, these portions, these portions. Here the hatching angle, we have to change here the hatching angle from this shape, here the opposite direction. So we have to apply the hatching angle 90. Okay, now the hatching angle changed. Okay, this is a given diagram of the given diagram of body of the plumber block. Okay, here we want to take another one portion. We have to just delete. Before that we have to draw one oil hole. We have to draw, its distance is 80 mm thickness, its depth also 8. So we have to draw a line. So 8 mm horizontal distance, vertical distance also 80 mm, its distance 80 mm, this upward distance 80 mm. Now we have to select and move this component, move this part from this point. Now ortho command we have to off and we have to paste here. Okay, now zoom and we have to extend this line. So we have to extend command, use extend. Here we want to extend. Okay, that's all. On the horizontal line after finally we have to erase. It's not it's no problem. Now we have to hatching. So hatching this portion, this portion, this portion, this portion, this portion, see the angle directions. Okay, it's okay, no problem. Now we have to close hatch creations. This is a final view of the body of the plumber block, lower portion of the body of the plumber block we completed. Next we have to draw the cap. Okay, so in this case we have to select the center line, just copy, enter, and draw the portions in above the, we have to take offset above the line. Okay, in this case we have to extend this line, extend the center line. Okay, now we have to draw a radius of the circle 24 mm. So in this case we have to change the cap layer. So circle, we have to select the circle and click the circle radius 24. Next we want to take offset from the center to its distance 8. Okay, we have to select offset, its distance is 8 mm in above the center line. So we have to change the match properties. Okay, match properties we have to change. In this case we have to take offset 16 mm in above the line. We have to check offset 16 mm in above. Same way we have to take offset after that, select and offset 16 mm in above. Next we have to select the object 12 mm. Here its distance is 12 mm. Okay, 12 mm. Okay, that's all. Next we want to trim the unwanted lines. Trim the unwanted, these lines, these lines, these lines, these lines, these lines, these lines we have to trim. Okay, next in this case we have to draw a horizontal vertical lines. Here it's a cap horizontal vertical distance is here. So here the distance is 28. So from this point its distance is 56 means we have to draw this line 28. So select this line and offset 28 in rightward direction, 28 in leftward direction. So here we want to here uh, okay here we want to match the properties. Select this line and match the select this line and match the properties from this point to this point. Okay, from this point to this point. Now we have to trim the unwanted lines. So trim unwanted these lines and these lines, and after finally we have to trim. Oh, no problem. Next we have to draw a upper no, the outer circle. Its radius is 48. Its radius is 48. They are given 48 radius. So now we go to circle center point and they give the radius value 48. 48. In this case we have to trim the unwanted lines. Okay, here we don't need this line and this line, and just select this remaining circle and delete. Okay, select this remaining circle and delete. In this case see its vertical distance we draw. Next we have to draw the, so just to trim this point and this point. Okay, next we have to this portion we completed. Next we have to take outer distance. Its outer distance is 54 from the center. We have to take 54 mm, take offset 54 enter in outside, 54 enter in leftward direction. Okay, in this case match this line and match properties from this point and this point. Okay, we have to trim from this point and from this point and this point also we have to trim. The upper side also we have to trim. Upper side also we have to trim. Same way we have to trim here, trim here. Okay, remaining portions, okay, this remaining portion also we have to trim. So remaining portion also we have to trim. Now we want to trim the unwanted inside lines. So we have to trim, trim command, trim these points and these points and we have to trim the line here, here we have to trim. Next next we want to trim these lines also. We have to trim trim and trim. Okay, next we have to take holes in both end. We have to take holes. Okay, this both end we have to take a holes. Its distance is 39 mm. Its horizontal distance is 78. Okay, here the distance is 78. So from the center we have to take offset um, 39 mm. So 39 mm we have to take offset in rightward direction and also in leftward direction. So we have to compress the reduce the center line. So okay, now it's a diameter of the circle. It's a smaller circle diameter. The here the circle diameter is 14. Okay, here the circle of diameter 14. 24, no, it's a circle of diameter 14. Okay, in this case we have to uh, measure 20, its distance 14. Okay, 14 mm diameter. So 14 means we have to take okay, we have to draw a line. We have to draw a line from this point to this point, enter. We have to take offset in 7. We have to take offset in 7 leftward and 7 rightward. So gently we have to delete the line. Just select and select this line, select this line, select this line. Just take mirror, mirror from this point to this point, enter. So we want to delete this center line, enter. We have to select this line and this line. Now we have to change the property dash line. Okay, Next we want to draw a in this case we want to draw a oil hole. Okay, oil hole we have to draw. So for that purpose, the oil hole, see the diagram, and the oil hole depth is 16, its diameter is 8, inner circle diameter 6. So we have to go to line command, draw the length 16, its horizontal distance 8, its vertical distance 16, its horizontal distance 8. Okay, now we want to select these lines and move command, select the center line, and ortho command we want to off and fix this point here. In this case we want to trim the unwanted excess line, we have to trim. So trim, enter. So trim the excess lines like this, we have to trim. Okay, in below side, the inner circle hole is 6 mm diameter. So we have to draw a line from this point to horizontal distance 3. Draw it. Okay, just control is set. Ortho command we have to on. Okay, 3. Downward distance. Draw a line like this. Now we have to trim command. Trim this line. Okay, trim this line. Now just select this point and select this point. Just take a mirror on this point to this point, mirror, enter. Okay, now the left side portion will be in hidden. Okay, so we want to select and we have to select the portion. So here we want to delete this line. We want to just trim the line. Okay, trim the line. Okay, okay, now we have to draw one new line, because these lines are in hidden, that purpose only we have to draw a new line. This portion, this portion, this portion, these all are in hidden manner, so we have to change the properties dashed line. Now we complete the cap of the plumber block. Now we have to hatching the plumber block. Okay, in this case we have to hatching, we have to click the hatching command, click this portion, and before that we have to trim another one places. Here trim command, enter. We want to trim this area, we have to trim. Now we have to hatch the command hatch. Now we have to hatch this portion and this portion. Here we have to change its angle, we have to change its angle. I provide 100. See the, no, here the angle is 0. So now we have to change its angle, as usual, normal. Now 90. Okay, 90 here. See the diagram, given diagram, it's 90. Okay, these are the 90. It's 90, so we have to change the pose. Okay, it's 90. Okay, no problem. Here the direction of the hatching same, 90 90 90 90, no problem. Okay, now we finish body cap, we finish. Next we want to draw the braces. So for braces we select center line. Okay, we select the center line. Now we draw a braces. The diameter of the circle is 32. Here this is a braces. Okay, the diameter of the circle is 32, 44, 64. So in this case we go to select the circle, click here. The radius of the circle is 32. The radius of the circle is 16, because the diameter of the circle is 32, the radius is 16. So in this case we want to change the layer. We have a braces layer. Okay, select this portion. Again we click the circle and click the center line, and the radius of the Now we have to change the layer. Okay, first we have to change the braces layer. Now we click the circle, click the center line. The diameter of the circle 44, so radius is 22. So again we select the circle, click the center line. Diameter of the circle 64, so radius 32. Radius 32. Okay, here we want to delete the unwanted portions. Okay, in this case we want to delete, trim this portion. We don't need. Okay, similarly we have to trim this portion because the inside one half of the circle will be hidden line. So that purpose we have to draw a line. So start, end, radius. Oh, start point, end point. So radius of the circle 22. 22. Okay, start. Okay, I think sorry, arc. Okay, start, uh, start, end, radius. Okay, start, end, radius 22. I think. Okay, arc, is it correct? Start, end, radius, start, start, center, end. Okay, okay, start, center, end. Yeah, okay, just listen. Mm. Just draw a diagram. Start, end, radius. Okay, start point, end point. Radius we provide 22. Yeah, that's all. Okay, now in this case this half circle will be in hidden line. Okay, this half circle will be hidden line. This is a brasses portion we completed. Before that we have the oil hole, we have to draw from this place. So already we draw the oil hole. Okay, we select the oil hole, just select and select this portion. Now we want to copy, enter, fix the center point. We have to off the ortho mode. Next we have to fix this point here. We have to fix this point here. Okay, just delete. In this case the oil hole only in right side only, in left side we don't need, so we have to trim the unwanted sides of the oil hole. Just delete, select and delete. In this case we change the properties. Okay, match properties we have to change. Match this line. Okay, match this line. Okay, now we finish. Okay, here this lines also we don't need, just delete and delete. Okay, in this case we want to hatching. Here the direction will be changed. Okay, here the hatching direction will be changed. uh, uh, okay, now we go to hatching command. Click this point and this point. In a hatching from this point. Okay, hatching distance. Okay, 90, 90 degree, 90 degree. So in this case we have to change the angle 0 degree, 0 degree. Okay, next hatch the hatching. Next I click this point. Here we want to change the angle 90 degree, 90 degree. Okay, that's all. Next to close the creation. Here also the this hatching, this shape only in same. So we have to change the hatching angle. Okay, here angle distance 0. Okay, here. Okay, okay, close the hatching. Okay, that's all. Now we finish body cap braces. Next we want to draw the bolt nut and lock nut. Here the bolt header is 24 mm dia, thickness is 80 mm. So in this case we have to draw a horizontal line. Here we want to change the layer. Here bolt nut layer. So we want to draw a horizontal line. Its horizontal distance we have to draw a straight line purpose. Ortho mode we have to on. It's 24 mm its diameter. Bolt its thickness is, see the bolt 24 mm diameter, its thickness is 8 mm. Okay, thickness is 8 mm, 8 mm, and 24 thickness 8. Okay, now we draw the bolt head. Okay, in this case we have to take a offset. Okay, select this line, take a offset 2 mm in above the line. Here we want to draw a offset. Here we want to draw a arc. Here start, center, end. We want to start point, mid, center point, end point. No, just control is set. Arc point, start, 3 point arc, 3 point arc. Okay, start, center, end. Okay, 3 point arc. Okay, in this case we have to select this line, select this line and delete. Okay, now the bolt head we completed. Next we have to draw the length of the bolt. Okay, here the length of the bolt is 96, its diameter of the bolt is 12. Okay, so length of the bolt 96, we have to draw a vertical line. 96, 96, its thickness, diameter of the bolt is 12. So again vertical distance 96, its vertical horizontal distance is 12. Enter, enter. Next we want to draw a center line. Okay, in this case we okay before that we have to before that we have to take 2 mm offset. Okay, inside offset for threaded portion. In this case from this point to from this point 35 mm we have to take offset for threaded portion. Okay, so select this point, take offset 35 mm inside. Okay, here the select this line, take offset in leftward direction 2 mm. Okay, similarly we have to take the line in 2 mm. Here we want to trim unwanted lines. These inner side lines we don't need. Here we want to take arc. Here start, end, radius, they didn't given start point, end point. So approximately we draw the diagram. Okay, just no problem, just click start, 3 point arc, no problem. Start and this point, at this point, start, end, radius. Ortho we have to off. So escape. In this portion we have to start, end, uh, approximately we have to draw just as that's all. Okay, now we finish another bolt length. Okay, bolt length we have to finish. Next we select this. Okay, before that we consider the diagram. Any okay, everything we completed. Now we have to join the bolt in bolt head. Okay, just move command, enter, center, fix the center point, and keep here. Okay, now now we completed the bolt. Next we have to draw the nut. Okay, in this case we have to draw the two type of nut. One is nut, another one is lock nut. Okay, here nut diameter is nut diameter is 24, its thickness is 12 mm thickness, the diameter of the header is 24, the bolt diameter is 6. Okay, so we have to draw the 24 mm diameter, 12 mm thickness nut first we have to draw. So in this purpose we have to draw the horizontal line. horizontal line we have to draw the, so for straight line F8 we have to on 24 mm, its thickness 24 mm, its thickness is 12 mm, 12 mm. Next its horizontal distance 24, its thickness is 12 mm. Okay, okay, now we have to draw the offset. From this point we have to take offset 2 mm in inside, 2 mm in this side. Okay, next okay, in this case we want to draw the um, okay, in this case we have to draw the center line. um, the diameter of the circle, the thickness, just measure its dimension, it's okay, its linear distance, it is 24 mm diameter. So center we have to draw one line. Okay, from this point we have to draw the center line. Okay, draw the center line, uh, enter. Here we want to draw a, here its distance is 6. Okay, in half of the 6, 3 mm line we have to draw. 3, we have to draw a line 3. Same way we have to draw a line in 3 for arc purpose, for lining arc. Okay, 3, see the diagram. Okay, just once again we compare the diagram. Center line here we want to 6 mm, 6 mm. Okay, in this case we want to take diameter is 6 mm, just take offset 6 mm to left side, 6 mm to the left side. Now we delete this center line. Okay, it's a diameter of the, it's a diameter of the bolt hole. Okay, so in this case we have to draw a arc, 3-point arc. Okay, just click here, click this point, and okay, okay, now we have to change its position. uh, Similarly we have to select and copy, move command, we want to take move from this point. Okay, in this case now we want to take a 3-point arc, uh, start point, second point, third point. Okay, here we want to change the layer. Okay, here we want to change the bolt nut layer, so we have to apply the properties, match properties, apply. uh, okay, similarly we have to click this point and this point and this point. Okay, okay, same way we have to draw a arc from this point and this point, enter. Now we want to select, just select this line, select the white color line, just delete this line also we don't need. Okay, select this line and delete. Similarly we have to mirror this line, select this arc, we have to take mirror, select this point and take the mirror, midpoint to midpoint, enter. Now we want to trim unwanted lines. Okay, trim the unwanted lines here, here, here. Now next we want to chamfer. Okay, next we want to chamfer the corners of the nut. Okay, in this case we go to chamfer, give the distance d, we provide the value 1.5. Okay, now we want to chamfer 1.5, again 1.1.5, enter. Okay, now click this point, this line and this line, now enter. We want to chamfer this line and this line. Okay, same way we have to take chamfer this line and this line, this line and this line. Okay, same way, again press enter, click here. Okay, now we finish. Now we finish the 24 mm diameter of the bolt. Okay, now we finish nut. Okay, 24 mm diameter of nut we finish. So in this case we have to trim the unwanted lines. Okay, here we want to select and trim. Okay, we want to just select and trim. Okay, we select and trim the unwanted lines. Now we draw the 24 mm diameter and 12 mm thickness of nut we completed. Next we have to draw the lock nut. Its lock nut distance is 24 mm. 24 mm diameter, its thickness is 80 mm. Okay, so for that purpose just copy the just copy the nut. Okay, just copy now copy the nut. Okay, okay, that's all. Next we want to draw the midline. Okay, we want to draw a center line. Okay, before its thickness is 12, so we want to take offset in above for 2 mm, in below 2 mm. Okay, we want to take offset above, select the line, select the line, and we want to take offset above 2 mm and also below 2 mm. In this case we have to trim the unwanted lines. Okay, here this line we don't need, just delete. Next trim command tr enter. So these inner lines are we don't need. Okay, now these two lines also we don't need, select and delete. Now this select this upper portion of the nut, upper portion of the nut select, and gently we have to move M enter. Just move this portion from this point to this point. This is a 8 mm thickness of lock nut. Okay, this is a nut, 12 mm thickness nut. This is a 8 mm thickness lock nut. Now we complete all the parts of the plumber block. Okay, this is a body of the plumber block. This is a cap of the plumber block. This is a brasses of the plumber block. This is a bolt of the plumber block. This is a nut of the plumber block. This is a lock nut of the plumber block. Next all the parts are we draw completed successfully. Next we have to assemble all the diagram. Okay, now we have to assemble all the diagram. Okay, first we have to assemble the cap. Okay, in this case we have to select this portion, select this portion. Now we want to move command, move enter. Click the center point. From this center point we have to off the ortho command. Click here and come and fix meet the center point. Okay, fix the meet the center point, click here. Now the plumber block portion, the cap of the plumber block fit to the body of the plumber block correctly. Okay, next we want to move and assemble the braces of the plumber block. So we want to reduce the center line. In this case we have to reduce the center line. Okay, we have to reduce the center line. Just select and just select the braces and copy. Okay, and copy. Now we have to select the center line of the braces, center point of the braces. Now we have to move the braces and we have to fix this braces in center of the plumber block. Okay, escape. Okay, now we finish. In this case the braces of the plumber block also assembled successfully. Okay, here the oil hole will be extended, fully extended to the braces. So we have to extend command, extend this line, extend this line, extend this line, extend this line, extend this line. Okay, here we don't need this line. So shift, we have to trim this line, we have to trim this line, these portions we don't need, just trim. The oil hole was drawn successfully to the braces. Okay, next okay, now we assemble the cap and braces. to the body of the plumber block. Finally we have to assemble the nut and bolt and lock nut, bolt, lock nut we have to assemble. So in this case we select the bolt. Just copy move, just click this point. Here we want to copy this. Here we want to place the nut from place the bolt from this point, and also in rightward direction from this point. Now we assemble the we assemble the bolt successfully. Okay. Next we want to assemble the nut. Okay, just a copy, enter. We want to uh, select the midpoint. We want to select the midpoint and move the nut. Here we want to uh, assemble. Here we want to paste. Here we want to assemble. Fix. Here we want to fix in rightward direction. Here we want to fix this portion. Okay, now we assemble the nut successfully. Next we want to assemble the lock nut. Okay, next we want to select the lock nut. Now we want to copy, enter, fix this point, fix the center line of the lock nut. uh, okay, click the center line of the lock nut. In this case the lock nut was placed in this place in leftward direction, left side of the plumber block, and also we have to assemble the lock nut in right side this place. Okay, just escape. This is a final assemble and cross sectional view of the given plumber block diagram. Okay. Okay, now we want to delete the unwanted lines. uh, okay, just after that we have to draw the dimensions. Here we have to use linear distance. Okay, whenever we have a time we have use dimensions. Okay, it's a diameter. Next linear distance from this point to this point, 14. Next this distance, diameter. So we have to measure the distance, linear distance from this point to this point. Just click F8, we have to on. Next we have to measure this distance. Okay, next we have to measure the radius. Okay, 48. Radius. We want to measure the diameter. Okay, that's all. These all are the uh, given dimensions of the plumber block. Okay, everything we finished successfully. Okay, in final assembled view of the plumber block diagram is visible. Okay, the given readings of the given dimensions of the part diagrams are shown. We follow these dimensions of the part diagram we followed. Finally we have the final output of the final 2D sectional and assembly view of the plumber block we draw successfully. Okay, thank you students. Hereafter we will discuss the next diagram in next class. Thank you. Thank you to all. Thank you so much.